Hello guys, Roman at CarTips. Today we'll be installing a 2016 Ford F150 taillight. These are the mounting points. The first two are tabs that slide in from the taillight, and then the second two are screws that screw in into the taillight through the sheet metal of the bed. So first thing we're going to do is grab the taillight and connect the connectors. There's only two. Brown goes to brown and green goes to green. Simple. Now, like I said before, these two tabs slide into the bed. Now make sure to take care and take your time. You don't want to break those tabs off. Don't force it in. Slowly and gently, take your time and slide it in. Now once they clip in, make sure that the taillight is flush with the body and the jambs are aligned and correct. They are identical all the way around. Now that the taillight is fully seated, grab the two screws and thread them in by hand to secure the taillight to the body. If the taillight isn't fully correctly seated, the hole for the screw won't align. Now grab an 8mm socket and tighten the screws even more by hand. Now use a ratchet to fully tighten the taillight to the body. Be very careful to not strip the taillight because the screws into the taillight, and the taillight housing is actually made out of plastic, so make sure not to over tighten or you can shear the plastic off the taillight. This is how it should look like when it's done. When you close the tailgate, make sure all the jambs and body lines align and you're good to go. Hope this video helped.